So then you have this concept of downwards. So a normal neck wrap going down this way, like here, so around the back of the neck. And then a downwards neck wrap, I would tilt my head backwards and then have it going like that. So it's like an anti-gravity version, or gravity is not helping, gravity is pulling it off you, rather than as gravity normally does, it pushes it onto you. So the downwards version is going around like that. And in the throat wrap, it's a bit more obvious. Normal throat wrap, your head is tilted back, and you wrap it over the throat. Downwards neck wrap, you look downwards, hey! And so here and down. And that would be your downward throat wrap. With a downwards halo, if I think of it as the halo having a 3/4 along the way contact point, so it contacts there and goes across, here in the back of the neck and goes across, with the center point being taller and above your head, then the downwards halo, or the devil's halo, or whatever you want to call it, is the opposite, down here. Now this is a bit of a simplification, because obviously to do the downwards halo roll correctly, you've got to keep it kind of high above yourself. So when it does work, it kind of tilts up here and comes down. So what I like to think of it is, it just makes that pie shape, that triangle, that pie slice shape, and downwards halo that points upwards. Whereas on the normal halo roll, this end kind of more isolates and it's the point of the pie slice, and it's pointing downwards. Slightly, again, confusingly named there. What can you do, little man? Neck wrap. Nailed it.